Hello everyone, my name is Rosario Molo and here is my presentation about teacher professionalism. So my perspective of teacher professionalism. It is difficult to sum up what teacher professionalism is, but I think it comes down to always doing what is best for your students. That means a lot of different things. Teachers need to have content knowledge, classroom management, parent communication, just to name a few. Doing what is best for your students guides me every day. When I'm looking ahead and preparing a lesson, that is my first thought. When talking to counselors or administration about a new program or specific student's IEP or behavior plan, the first thought should always be, is this best for the student? So there's 5 core propositions that go along with this that kind of help me with my definition. So teachers are committed to students and their learning. Teachers know the subjects that they can teach and how to teach them. Teachers are responsible for managing and monitoring student learning. Teachers think systematically about their practices and learn from experiences. Teachers are members of learning communities. All of these go hand in hand with what I just said about my definition. Teachers need to be able to communicate with parents, teachers, other colleagues. They need to know what they're teaching, how to teach it. It's one thing to have content knowledge, but it's another thing to have teaching knowledge. Professional dispositions. So we need to have professional conduct, professional qualities. We need to be able to communicate and collaborate. And that kind of goes along with everyone. That goes along with the students. You need to be professional and be able to communicate with them and kind of even collaborate with them as well. You need to be able to communicate and collaborate with parents and colleagues and administration as well. Diversity proficiencies, you always need to be aware of yourself, understand learning and the learning environment. I think those are the 3 most important ones on this one. You need to be aware of your classroom and how those things go. A student's not going to learn until they know that you care about them. Planning, instruction, and assessment, professional practice, also very important as well. You need to know what you're teaching, how to teach it, and how that goes along with your end of the year goal. Technology proficiencies, you need a design of learning experience and the environment, facilitation of learning and assessment, and then again, the communication and collaboration, and then being professional. All those things go hand in hand with my definition. And then something I found, why teachers teach. So sense of mission, solidarity with students, empathy for students, courage to challenge mainstream knowledge and conventional wisdom, comfortable with improvisation, and a passion for social justice. All these things are important with why teachers are teachers right now. You need all of these in your life to help you become a better teacher. And then the quote I found is, professionalism captures the quality of teachers' work, but inasmuch as the work of the teachers is complex, is their professional knowledge differentiated. Teacher professionalism cannot be reduced to just one thing. So I believe that's very true, that you can't just sum it up as one simple thing, but it's kind of needs to be all those things that are differentiated within each other.